Hello everybody, welcome to Frog Racing HQ. Some updates on the trailer updates, what you have been working on. We put those new longer ramps from Peak Product that give us a better loading angle even for low cars, so that we don't scrape the bumper getting in the trailer. Especially this trailer has pretty large rubber bumpers. Hard to see with the light here, but that makes the door pretty high. So we kept the older ramps in the middle so that we can roll the tool carts in and out of the trailer easily. Also, pit trailer makes that gap plate that is very handy to roll the carts in and out, or the toolboxes. On the side here, to protect from the rain when the door is open, we have our sponsors banners that we can also take out during the event. Thanks, Cup Tuning. Here, hanger for our straps. So here's a new thing. We used to have all the boxes in the back with all the spares, and there was a lot of weight on the tongue. So we got those pegboards from Wall Control, where you can slide in the different elements so that they hold much better than on a pegboard. And we put most of our spare here, the heavy stuff at the bottom, like the brake rotors, calipers, the axles, and I would recommend mostly the 3-inch loops there, and you can eventually extra secure with a zip tie. The 4-inch ones are okay for the lighter weight stuff like the control arm and stuff, but we bend a bunch. You see, like this one is already bent out of shape as soon as you put any weight on them. So definitely don't recommend the 4-inch, but more the 3-inch. They also have those little shelves with like the toilet paper holder, shop towel holder. Those work great, and they can help you organize and secure all your stuff relatively easily. They have those flat ones to slide things, like here the broom. That's what we use also to hold the suspension, like here, and then a zip tie in the back to make sure it doesn't slide. In front, just a big cargo net from a bed truck that is secured in the corners to, just in case something gets unscrewed. Here we have our lights for night service, same thing, secured with the cargo net. That's our big gazebo. Spare radiator at the top here, same thing, we can secure a lot of stuff with just cargo nets. Paper towels. A new addition too is this Rubbermaid FastTrack, where you can have different attachments. Here we have our blower to clean up the dust from the cars or the trailer. Great little Ryobi tool. That the Ryobi power washer that works directly from a bucket. So same thing, it's just secure on this FastTrack. Here we have some more Rubbermaid FastTrack. So you can just push on this and slide them around. You just buy for $10 these things that screws to the wall, and after that you can put as many attachments as you want. So here we have our electrical cords, rubber hoses, our little Harbor Freight dollies for service, and here actually those rapid Velcro storage things are awesome for any kind of hoses or things you need to hang. And yeah, so still our toolboxes and main storage here. We have the battery to power the lights. So we have LED lights here. We can possess them either from the truck. Right now the truck is connected, or I can switch at the bottom and run the lights on the battery. And the charger, as soon as the trailer is plugged in, will recharge the battery. So those are the latest improvements. We did a first trip with all this hanging on the wall, nothing fell off, so that's a pretty good sign for the rest of the season. And I hope that will give you some ideas, especially those pit product ramps. They are a bit pricey, but in the long run they are very useful, and you can just easily fold them down. For the road. There you go. Here's what it looks like, and same thing, this ramp folds in nicely here. can go see inside what it looks like when it's folded, and everything stays in place during the trip. Well, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you soon at an event.